Welcome back to All Things Shazzy. Today in this video, I am showing you how I put these braids in my hair in less than 2 hours and also added these bohemian wave pieces. Turned out super cute. Alright, let's go ahead and hop into it. I will be using this pre-stretched hair from Ultra. I am also going to be using some jam and some gel, and I am using some rubber bands. I'm going to put oil on these, and I'm using this hair grease to grease my scalp, which I did prior to coming on, and I am using just some regular kitchen olive oil. I'm adding that olive oil to the rubber bands and squeezing the oil out. I already greased my hair, so I'm just going to go ahead and part it and get to braiding. See you at the end. Okay, y'all, so this look is complete and it turned out super cute. I did get done in 1 hour and 43 minutes to be exact. I was able to run out the door, go get my daughter, go to my son's game, and also see my other daughter perform. And I'm gonna throw it to the side type of girl, so I just like to throw it all to one side. This is 1 week later, 1 week and 2 days, but this is why I like to use black gel. The hairstyle definitely lasts much longer, especially for these parts to be so big. My hair is still intact as it was before. And also the gel doesn't cost a lot, and being in this Texas heat, I don't have time for no jam to be melting in my hair or edge control or anything else. So I just go with the gel because it stays up. So I wore it in this cute bun. It was super cute as well. Cut the hair off my neck and off my shoulders. I loved it. And when I didn't, I just went ahead and just put it back down, y'all, and it still looked the same. And again, I'm gonna throw it to the side, as you can see. Take it down and just throw it all to one side. That's my look. The hair still feels good. I do mousse it. I just put a little bit of mousse on it earlier today, but it still feels good. I did have to like trim this bohemian braid hair just once, and I was in the back. I probably slept on it the wrong way. Alright, and as you can see, lifting up, you can still see that my parts and everything looks pretty neat. Alright, and that's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. You guys, let me know how long it takes you to throw in your braid and go hairstyles. This is definitely a braid and go. See you next time. Bye.